Hello, my English learners, my IT learners. How are you? I hope all are doing well. So, welcome back to new another fresh video. So, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, I'm coming back, guys, because of you guys. Because today in this video, today agenda of this video, I'll share my real journey. So, how can I tackle that situation? How can I develop my English speaking skills and my real life journey? How can I tackle that situation? Currently, I'm in a good position, or what to do in currently. So, everything I'll explain step by step and one by one. Don't miss this video is very interesting topic, very interesting. So please, let's begin started without any wasting time. So guys, before start this video, please, if you are new on this video, please subscribe this YouTube channel and like this video. And if you I am adding values to your life, your journey, please share, do this. So guys, what happened actually? So in my journey, so that time very poor in English. So basically those time started a life for this YouTube channel. So that time, I can't speak English, even I can't introduce myself as well, because it's very difficult to say life or interact with the new people, new colleagues. That is very challenging for me. So currently I'm lots of things improving myself, and I'm currently improving, but as I'm gradually increasing day by day, whatever I say in before lots of old my videos, so that time what step I do and now become a good English speaker. I'm not telling I'm a professional, but I am for my confident, I am good for my position and my stage, that is very interesting. And please hold on and watch till the end video, very interesting. So first time what happens? So those time I am pass out my college. So that time what happened? So in my college time, that time, so one class will happen like English practice class. Okay, so that class I'm very nervous, because of I am not English medium student, I'm a Odia medium guy student. You can be like a Hindi medium student, you can be a Telugu medium student, whatever thing. So I am basically a non-English medium student, I'm Odia medium student. So that I'm very challenges comes on my front of my eyes. So I'm tackle that situation, that time what I'm in my college class time. So that time I can't speak anything. So my teacher say, "Hey Sushil, come to the stage and say something about any topic." So rapidly he given me one topics randomly. So talk about one tree, talk about a hotel, talk about a book. So whatever you can like us say, that time he say me give a randomly one topic, but I can't say anything because of the I'm not English medium student, and because of the one big reason is the my confident. So I can't speak English that time. I'm fumbling, I'm any word can't comes in my mind. So very difficult, very challenging this time, but I do that. So after my pass out my degree college, so in my past job, so that job I am did lots of things, like whenever I'm go my past job, I'm facing lots of problem and I can't speak English, I can't typing anything. So that time what I can do? So I research lots of see YouTube videos, but not effective. So anyone not say the right way, right path to tackle that. So that what happened, I realized that, and I open a notebook and write in this notebook what I write. I am writing like that. So who am I? What I do? What in my future? How can I achieve in my future? So lots of things, and I realized 1 to 2 days. Then after that, I decided if any application here in online for speaking English practice, like in my roommates and my like friends can't speak English with me, because maybe my English is poor, or maybe he not speak English well. So that's why maybe the reason, or it can be anything. So that time what came me the best opportunity to speak English or communication with others, like for the best practice for lots of application available in the application, like for Play Store available freely, you can download that in conversation easily. Nowadays lots of application and premium, you can pay monthly, or lots of application it can be achieve you can freely. So I install one of the application and try to talk with lots of people and conversation with them. And that time what happened? So I'm very curious to introduce myself, because I can't even sharing myself because fluently who am I, what I do, what my job, how much I experience, and on my family, about my family I can't say anything. But uh, day by day I practice almost 30 days, so almost my English improvement is good. Like for this time only for introduction, but every day I'm talking another topic, take another topic, take say another topic, very challenging for me. I tackle that, and after that I decided to open a create a YouTube channel, uh, that you watch now. So this is the Mr. Sushil YouTube channel I created that time, like after few months in my past job, or after few like for you can know 6 month, couple of months. So I created because of the my try to improve my speaking English powers. So I created YouTube channel and say anything like gradually I take any topic and randomly say that whatever I can say, like about a time and money, about life or good educations, about like how can you tackle that situation, how to improve English. So randomly I will take a topic and post that. Lots of views comes and not much more likes, but I still consistently uploading videos for my YouTube channel Mr. Sushil. Currently you watch that, and gradually I feel confident about that, so I am a good speaker, so that time what happened, so what videos I make that, shoot that, upload that, and after that I see and watch, uh, and sometimes I'm laughing. So you, this is me, eh? So so lots of thing will happen for me and front of the mirror. So one of the best concept is your lots of teachers or lots of people experienced guys saying, you come your front of the mirror and say anything out of you, how much you're fumbling and what you're confident, what your looks like, your face, smiling face, or what nervous face, laziness, a lot of them, because you are a brave man. ठीक है? You are the brave, you are deserving, man. Everyone can be deserved because of the English language, not a big deal. I'm always telling, like, guys, you guys keeping English language is just a language. We are complicated this, actually not complicated, because of the many people complicated, because of the like you don't know grammar, you can't speak English. You don't know la, you don't know la. So lots of things will be say and demotivate you guys, and you guys can't speak English, never ever. So that's why I say, forget about the grammars. If you already learn grammars, that good, not bad. Because agar if in case you don't know grammars, not hesitate, not demotive, you always chill, because of the you are best speaker, you're best English speaker, because of the only deserve your confident, only grab your confident. Without your confident, without your life or the brave, whatever you can say, without that you can't speak English, because of the only confident, like your smile comes and can deal anywhere, you can life or any your manager in front of the HR, who can, I don't care, but I try to speak them and try to see na, try to see, let's see what actually happen. Try anything, like for during speaking, for my point of view, lots of grammar mistake nowadays, also lots of grammar mistake you catch it, but I don't care that, because it happening, it is a regular process, gradually you tell, gradually speaking day to day life, so automatically increase, that is not a big deal. Whatever say, if I am say anything about my front of you guys, you try, you already 30-20% understand, almost you understand what I trying to say. That is good for me, that is good for me, I can't say anything. So okay guys, so guys, that's my journey, like for what I say, for my personal opinion. So you guys try to improve yourself in English, try to practice as much as possible, try to practice, you can spend more than 1 hour 2 hour per day. Give time. Always, if you don't give time, then you can't speak English earlier. What means earlier? Earlier means, suppose for example you try to speak like good English within 3 months, within 2 months, then you regular practice can be better, and you can increase your practice. Then other you don't increase your practice, then you can be take time. Always take time, because you know you suppose for example you give time 10 minutes 15 minutes, So it can be take 6 months, 5 months, 7 months, or you give a time 2 hour 30 3 hours. It can be achieved within 2 months, 3 months. Yeah, of course, because lots of thing will be happen in this during time. Only material confidence, only material consistency, only discipline always makes you perfect. So practice makes perfect. So guys, this video today, that's it. And if you really interest about these videos and my journey, and you try to know and try to watch my regular videos, do subscribe this YouTube channel and like this video and share please this video to your 5 friends. Then I'll feel happy and I feel motivated. And do comment on this video and I'll take your comments and read out that, and it's very interesting. So guys, we'll meet you next another video. Till bye, take care.